So good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Yesterday I finished off with the two of the main lesson planning, the first two questions. That was lesson plan and the ability. So the third and fourth is the practice area was suitable and the lesson adapted when needed. So if you watched my previous two videos or one video, different languages, then you should come to know now that how to deal with these two issues on the move. So when it comes to practice area, of course you all going the test routes and all that, and in the area that you live in, you go to, your part 3 test down in those areas. You should know many other roads as well, small one and the tricky roads and a bit more alternative as well. Now this is according to, suppose if you given your learner a mini roundabouts or unmarked roundabouts or marked roundabouts or junction, then to start with you should have those mini roundabouts and few junctions, and then marked roundabouts and unmarked roundabouts. You should have that. So if you tell him that okay, we will go out now, we will start practicing the goal of yours according to your ability, and that practice area has to be those few things like junctions or roundabouts, mini roundabouts, unmarked roundabouts, bigger roundabouts, multi-lane roundabouts, faster road roundabouts. So all those things should match with your, and that's what the practice area is. And then in regards to that practice area, if you have to come across adoption, like suppose that you agreed roundabouts and the learner soon he moved off, like I told you yesterday, that if he came and asked you, I'm going to do approaching junction turning left, and soon he moved off, he's got problem with moving off and stopping. So you need to adopt the lesson for 5-10 minutes or whole of the lesson in reality for moving off and stopping, and until you get better we will move on to the approaching junction turning left. So then you have to have that idea that if my learners gets into a trouble and if he's doing junctions or doing roundabouts, and if he comes across with moving off and stopping, I should have that road in my pocket as well, other side, so I can take him down and start spending time there. Like one of the example I give you, that I had a PDI who went down for their part 3 test, and on the move straight away the problem starts clutching because students got nervous. So the PDI, I told them that if that case happens, a student mostly gets nervous. They tell you before, no problem, we'll do it, we'll deal with it, because you tell them. But in reality we all get nervous. So the pupil got nervous, and the learner, the PDI, because they knew, what they did is straight away they changed the plan and taken them into the quiet roads. So on the quiet roads they started practicing the clutch and moving off and stopping. So this is how they worked out that when they came back, and the SC told them that well done, because if you would have taken him to the busy roads and started doing the roundabouts that you was talking about, it would have been a disaster. So this is how you keep yourself ready for everything, that if they're doing something, we agreed something and something happens, we're going to move on to this, and you will tell them that okay, this is the problem, no problem, this is your driving problem as well, it happens, we will fix this, then we'll move on to the next stage of your goal, and then you will get better, and this is the part of it. So hope that helps, and keep it going. Thanks for you guys that supporting myself as well, and much appreciated. My followers are increasing as well, because I never thought about this idea that I should start giving out this knowledge that I have. I was too busy with my own clients and all that, but thanks you guys and for your support, and I do get lovely comments as well. I don't mind critics, comments as well, because I learn from you guys as well. So we all learn from each other. I'm not saying I'm perfect, but I learn from you, you learn from me. But that's what we human beings are. And thanks for watching, and please like, share and follow, that it helps others, and I will make another one for you guys. Thanks.